Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's AI, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Today we are looking at the HFT Gold God EA for MT5. This one is positioned as a high frequency scalping robot built specifically for XAUUSD Gold. The developer is pitching it as a fast automated system that uses trend analysis and multi-algorithm confirmation to catch short-term moves. Sounds promising on paper, but let's break it down like we always do. No hype, just the real picture. According to the MQ5 page, HFT Gold God EA is an automated high-frequency trading expert advisor designed for gold USD and other forex pairs. As we can see, it analyzes market direction using multiple internal algorithms and trend filters. The trading logic is pretty straightforward on the surface. It identifies buy and sell zones based on trend and support or resistance analysis. You'll see more buy trades during uptrend conditions and more sell trades when the market is trending down. During strong momentum, it can open multiple trades to capture this small price movement with fast execution and short-term scalping techniques. Core components include automatic take profits handling, global stock management, dynamic position monitoring, and floating profit or loss tracking. They even claim there's a real-time dashboard that shows your account balance, equity, drawdown percentage, open trades, and current profit or loss. The developer emphasizes that it's fully automated, supports both directions, and uses dynamic risk management with profit target controls. However, it is recommended for gold USD on MT5 with a VPS strongly suggested for stable 24/5 operation, that is 24 hours in 5 days operation. Minimum lot size starts at 0.01, which is friendly for smaller accounts. Honestly, the page gives the exact indicators and rules a bit vague. It talks about multi-algorithm trend confirmation and buy or sell zones without diving into specifics like which moving averages or oscillators is using. That is pretty common with these EAs, but it means you are relying on the black box performance. Moving on to the automated marketed features, it has a fully automated trading. Fully automated trading, configurable settings through the inputs panel, and that's real-time dashboard monitoring for monitoring. It promises dynamic risk management so you can adjust on the fly, plus automatic trade opening and closing. As you can see here, algo trading. Let's look at the inputs the developer recommends. Use trailing stop, trailing starts. This is the dashboard it claims to have. The developer mentions that after purchase, you should message them for the original set file. They say they use the same one. Overall, it's presented as a clean scalper that works in fast market conditions without needing constant manual tweaks. They also include the standard risk warning, which is high frequency trading, involves volatility, spreads, and broker execution quality. So always test on demo first. Solid disclaimer. But we all know the real test comes when you run the numbers yourself. Now let's talk about my own backtest results. On gold USD on M15 time frame. As you can see in my settings, I started with a 10k USD deposit over the custom period of June 1st, 2025 to June 1st, 2026. The EA took 108 total trades, heavily biased towards long with about 54.8% winnings. As you can see here, my total trades over here. Go back to my strategy tester. Okay, so the EA took about 188 total trades, heavily biased towards long trades with about 54.8% winning. As you can see here, which is 103. Total deals came in about 376. As you can see here, the net profit, a small loss of around $380. Profit factor sits right at 0.99, basically break even. Gross profit was about $33,540, while gross loss slightly higher with $33,920. The biggest red flag is the drawdown. Balance drawdown absolute around 434, 43, 45 with a relative max of 60%, which is terrible and doesn't fit the claim the developer was making initially. You can see we ended it with a loss. Despite making $33,000, the loss was still higher. Now, equity drawdown was even a bit higher at roughly 61.5 or 61.6%. Looking at the equity curve, you see a nice climb early on with some chop. As you can see here, you see the rise, and then we see the drop, pretty sharp drop mid period, followed by partial recovery here toward the end. You see still below the high and slightly below where it started. This volatile, typical for a momentum scalper on gold. Average profit trade was around 326, average loss around 399. Consecutive wins and losses show it can string a few together but also hit streaks. The thing is, these numbers are more realistic than some of the polished seller screenshots you often see. Developer claims lean heavily on strong trend performance and controlled risk, when this one was seeing big drawdowns and basically flat results. Sharp ratio negative, which tells you the risk adjusted returns and grades. Key settings that actually matter from the inputs, which are the spread and delay handling, lot sizing, trend filters, and profit targets. Make sure you're on a type spread broker with low latency, as gold scalping eats your life otherwise. As we can look through my settings, I set delay for 160 ms, which is more realistic based on my ping. Now, what is my verdict on this EA? This is a trend-based gold scalper that can work in strong directional moves but struggles in ranging or choppy conditions. High drawdowns, potential, news sensitivity, and broker dependency are the big hidden risk. Core fitting is always a cosine with these optimized M15 systems. Now, who is it actually for? Experienced traders who already understand gold's personality, run proper risk management, use a good VPS, and are comfortable monitoring accounts with volatile equity swings. Great if you diversify and size small. Now, who should avoid it? Beginners, anyone chasing steady passive gains, or traders running prop firm challenges. Those drawdowns will get you flagged faster than you can imagine. Overall, test it thoroughly on demo as I did with your broker before going live. It's not a set and forget holy grail, but another tool in the gold scalping category worth watching if the conditions line up. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. Also, grab that free robot from the description. It's a solid starting point with built-in indicator and patterns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.